The UK variant of the coronavirus has now made its way to Hamilton County. Today, public health officials confirmed it is now one of at least 11 counties in Ohio where doctors have detected the variant. WCPO 9 News reporter Whitney Miller found out what this means for treatment and prevention of the virus. Okay, Whitney, how was this case first discovered?
Well, along with being called the UK variant, it's also known as B117, and local health officials found this variant as they were making a routine check of COVID tests that were being submitted to the CDC. That test happened on January 30th. Since then, public health officials have completed contact tracing on the patient, who they say has been cleared from isolation and whose symptoms have been resolved. Signs of the variant first emerged in the UK back in September. Since then, it has made its way to the U.S., last month landing in northern Kentucky. While health experts admit this variant has an increased risk of death compared to other variants, the treatment and vaccination action plans in place will not change.
The vaccines do work. They work just fine against the known variants of SARS-CoV-2. There's evidence, particularly in South Africa, where the vaccine may be slightly less effective. But in terms of death, in terms of being sick enough to be in the hospital, the vaccines remain very effective.
The British Heart Foundation reports that symptoms of the new variant, such as fever, cough, and loss of sense, taste, and smell, are similar to the key symptoms in the initial strain. Dr. Stephen Fagan says to protect against the new variant, we should continue the safety measures we've already been putting in place. Things like wearing your mask when you're in public, keeping your social distancing, and continuing to wash your hands. He says those measures have really brought down the number of cases and decreased the number of deaths in our county. For now, reporting Whitney Miller, WCPO 9 News.